Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out with how you can change your region on TikTok. And for this we need to do two things, so please do the following things and you can fix your region change. Alright, first tap on profile, tap on the three lines right in the top, settings and privacy, then tap on location services and then make sure that permission settings is standing on never. Then tap open device settings and make sure that your location is standing on never. Then if you go back to TikTok, we want to delete certain location information. And this is the first thing. The other thing is download a free VPN. It's this app. This is a VPN app called VPN Super Unlimited. And this app can literally change your position. Alright. I want to change the position from New York to Canada. So tap on Canada 15 because that connection is better. And from now, you can buy this, but you can also tap on proceed with ads. And from now, our location is placed in Canada. That means that I will receive a lot of videos from Canada on TikTok. And this VPN in combination with turning off our location in the app will fix your region. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like, and thanks for watching.